All right, so now I'm gonna review what is on my desk because I wanted to keep a nice little clear aesthetic look. So I put a desktop pad on top because I didn't want anything ruining the finish of the desk. And I bought this little contraption. You can have like storage in here, anything you want, because again, I didn't want any clutter on my desk. It also serves very nicely to take notes. It comes with a little marker that has an eraser on the top. So you can write on here, take notes, and then erase it with the eraser on the top, very handy. All right, and then you can just stick it back in the little area. This little slot that you can use for pens or to place up your phone, watch things. I use it for my phone and my iPad, very handy. Again, I have these two monitors that I also bought because I was going for a white and gold theme in my office. 24-inch monitors, really like them. YSAGi monitors, very classy, very nice. I didn't want them sitting on my desk, so I bought a C-arm. It's a monitor arm, I just believe it's called, also from Amazon. Everything's from Amazon. So I bought that, but I had to get specific screws for my monitor. I had to contact the YSAGi company and ask them what they use, and they told me the size, so I can tell you what that is as well. And basically, I don't want to mess with it because, you know, it's set up perfectly for my viewing, but you can bend them out. They can go up or down. You can move it. Yeah, you can basically, it's hard to see. There's a screw right there and you can loosen it, and this can go up and down. So the height of your monitor can be there. These can also bend like a robot arm here and here. Very good, very nice. Comes with two attachment things. The one I used is like this because there was no hole there. Some, I guess, desks come with holes, or you can make a hole if you want, but that's the one I opted for. Clamps on, very nice. I also didn't want any wires showing back here, so I bought a little wire cover. I put the wires inside of it, and then you can also have wires that sometimes I have come out of here, the desk, which again was black, and I painted it gold. All right. And that's that. Oh, I think I also didn't mention this. Did I mention these? I don't think so. So here we go. So I bought also wireless keyboard, can attach with Bluetooth or the little USB stick. You stick into the USB ports. Very nice, sleek, lightweight. I like that it doesn't come with the number pad because I don't need that for my job. I bought these mouses to stick underneath where my wrists go on my keyboard, because the oils from my hand were taking off the paint. This used to be black. I had to spray paint it gold, and it was kind of ruining it. This mouse is ergonomic, also wireless, and also has the Bluetooth and the little USB option. Very nice. Forgot to mention that I also have these guys. Sometimes my wrist hurts. I do have carpal tunnel on both wrists, unfortunately. So I have these guys that go there, and sometimes that's, you know, that, or sometimes like I want to put my elbow, I know this is supposed to be for like your mouse area, but I don't use it for my mouse. Sometimes I just want to lean on my desk, so I want to put my elbow on something so I don't get, you know, carpal tunnel on my elbow area, which you can get for ulnar entrapment. Basically, I just set it like that, so that way it's not hurting me. Yep, all from Amazon. The only thing that's not from Amazon, my friend bought me this one, and I don't know where she got it from, but it's basically a badass girl calendar. Love it.